Hello, it's Julie here from Wise and Connected, and I have a little tip I want to share with you today about shortcut bars with Google Chrome. I have a shortcut bar, or Google Chrome have one up the top here. You can't see mine at the moment because I've closed it. If you go up to the three dots on the right, click on it, go to Bookmarks and show Bookmarks bar. I now have my bookmarks, which has got my shortcuts to my favorite websites. To add another bookmark or shortcut to here, what you need to do is find your website. So let's say we go to this one, which is my Wise and Connected. I'm going to turn that off. Now, if I want to add that to my shortcut bar up the top here, all I've got to do is go to the little padlock here on the left, grab it with my left mouse and drag it to wherever I want to put it. Let's say I want to put it right at the beginning. Let go. Now I've put it up here, and it's coming up with my URL. Now, if I know that W represents Wise and Connected, and I want to put more shortcuts here, I can actually get rid of the text on that. So what you do is right mouse click, edit, and then here you put where your text is. It's highlighted already, backspace or delete, and save. And that's how I've got my little shortcut there. Let's say I want to put another one up. I want to put Be Connected. Grab your padlock, drag it to where you want to drop it, let it go, right mouse click, edit, backspace, save. And that's how you put shortcuts up onto your shortcut bar. Stay tuned, subscribe to Wise and Connected on our website, and we will have more tips coming up for you. Thank you.